So this is a 2021 Ram Promaster, and the problem this one's having, it starts, it drives, but if we turn off the key, we can't remove this one. So this one isn't really a key issue, it's actually ignition, or this one is having transmission problems. So they just want to get to the dealer, so what we're gonna do is help them out, not need a tow. So this one starts, as you can see, but you can't shift it, so nothing's happening. So this one's actually really easy. So all you're going to do is come right below where the cup holders are, right below the shifter. You have this little tab. We're gonna go ahead and pop him out, and then right in there, you see that pink button? You're just going to take your screwdriver and just press inwards. And if we do that, let me see if I can't show you here, and it shifts. So then we can shift it all the way, and then no screwdriver, now we're able to shift. If you go back in the park though, nothing. So if you need to get, you know, where you're going, and then you don't want to call for a tow truck, just all you got to do is just press in right here, just inward, not very hard, and you guys will be on your way. I just wanted to show you that little issue with the Promaster. Good old Promaster.